Hello guys, myself Anand Kumar Misra, Computer Science and Engineering Department, FET Building, Rama University, Kanpur. Today we will discuss about the OOPS. OOPS with reference to C++. Now, today we are going to start. Let us see the programming language that were developed before C++ language. In starting, we start in 1960. The language developed ALGOL, ALGOL developed by the International Group, and after that BCPL 1967 by Martin Richard. After that 1973 B is developed by the Ken Thompson. As you know, BCPL, that means Basic Combined Programming Language. In 1972, traditional language C developed by the Dennis Ritchie at the Bell's Lab and AT&T Laboratories. In 1978, K and R C developed by the Kingdon and DR, and after that last one C++ 1978 developed by the Bjarne Stroup at Bell Laboratories located in USA. Basically, OOPS की बात करते हैं. OOPS stands for the Object Oriented Programming Language. That means it is a procedural programming about the writing procedure of the functions that performs operations on the data, while OOPS is about the objects that contain both data and function. That means object store the both of two things, state and its behavior. State, that means data, and behavior means functionality of the data, that means functions. Both the object oriented programming to create a object which stores, which create the data and functions. Basically, data treat as a state, and method or function is treat as a functionality of the data. There are some features related with the OOPS concept. First one, inheritance. First one, object and class. Second one, inheritance. Third one, encapsulation. Fourth one, polymorphism. Fifth one, abstractions. Now we discuss OOPS features one by one. One, object and class. Object like as a real world entity. Entity means a small quantity of the real world, that like as a car, chair, and so on. Class is the basically collection of the object that is defined here with the figures. The class here, the class fruits, and it's the object apple, banana, mango. There are the three properties under the fruit class. That means class and object both are the combination of the OOPS. Second features, inheritance in C++. Inheritance in C++ मतलब capability of the one class of the things to inherit capability from another class. एक क्लास से वन क्लास टू inherit the properties of the super class into the base class. In other words, we can say we can inherit the properties of the super class to the subclass. That means the properties of the superclass, like as a the fruits properties are inherit the sub property of the subclass of the main class, superclass या fruit class. Encapsulation, simple encapsulation, capsulation माने wrapping of the data, wrapping of the data plus function, data plus function in a single code, that is called as encapsulation. That means एक simple encapsulation data plus function in a single code, that is called a encapsulation. Next one है polymorphism. Polymorphism is the new features developed in C++ object-oriented programming to capable is the ability of the message of data to the processed in the more than one form to more than one form. Now the next feature is abstractions. Abstraction means data hiding. That means if we start a vehicle, start a car, the functionality of the internal bodies, internal operations on the vehicle not showing on your desktop, on dashboard, but the vehicle is start and go away to one place to another place. Same like as a abstraction. Abstractions means representing the essential features without the including the background data or details or expression of the background details. Now, simple way we can say, we simplify in other words, data hiding means a switchboard, the power supply to the fans, and on the switchboard switch the fan in on. That means the internal concept and internal function, internal method of the perform not visible to the another. So we can, this features is called as a abstraction or data hiding. They are the some basics related to C++, like as a character set, second one tokens, third one punctuations and operators. First one character set, set of the value valid character that a language can recognize the letter digit specified by the machine. Next one tokens. Tokens means the smallest individual unit of the programs. They are the difference, like as a keywords, identifier, literals, punctuations and operators. Keywords. What do you mean keywords? Keyword means a simple, a unique meaning of that the words, which is the specified in the compiler in the machine to specify that position of that words. Identifier, same literal, and punctuations. Punctuations means we can say semicolon, some brackets, some small, some middle, upper. That are the punctuations of the, or they are the operators. Operator means a small entity, a small quantity of the tokens which perform the operation between the operator and perform the operations on the operands. There are the 6 types of the operators. As you know, we will discuss about it in the next class. Thank you so much.